Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will discuss about that a problem name is that help Ishaan. Okay, so Ishaan has been given a task by his teacher. So that a problem statement is that Ishaan teacher given the task and their task is that to find the nth term of a series. So Ishaan teacher given the task to find the nth term of a series. His teacher his teacher his teacher gives some example to help him out. Okay, and their teacher gives some example to help him out. Okay, to how to find this pattern. Okay, but but Isan is a so weak person to find the pattern searching problem. Okay, so what type of a pattern, and their pattern is that, and their pattern is related to the prime number. So their pattern is related to the prime number. Okay, and nth term of nth term is difference of n the closest prime number to n. Means of that nth term of a particular series is that the closest prime number to n. So we need to find that closest prime number to n. Okay, closest prime number of particular n. So so we need to help the Isan to how to find the closest prime number of a particular n. I hope you all are understood very well that how we can solve it. That this is our first problem, that is n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. So in this example, in this example a 10, and that a closest prime number is 11. Okay, closest prime number is 11, and and that's the second, and the second example is that n is equal to 7. N is equal to 7. So 7 is already a prime number. 7 is already a prime number, so the closest prime number is already a 7. Okay, and our third and last example is that n is equal to n is equal to 21. 21. So in this example they have a two prime number. First one is a 19, and second one is a 23, which is closest to our 21. Okay, so you can easily check it that a 21 minus 19, so our answer will be 2, and 23 minus 21, so our answer will be 2. So you can easily check that both are equal. So this is our already answer. Either you can check that you can take a 19 value or a 23 value. Okay, so so I hope you all understood that problem statement. So how we can solve it? So what would be our approach? What would be our approach? Okay, so our approach is that we will simply find that value, find the two prime number, find the two prime number, find two prime number. Okay, find two prime number. First prime number, first prime number is greater than n. First prime number is greater than n, and closest to our n, and closest to our n. Okay, and second prime number is less than n and closest to our n. Okay, I will I'm I, I am drawing some examples. Let's like you can understand effective way. Just like it, this is a line of a scale, just like it, a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so our input is, our n is 10 at this time. So we will simply move further in this step and in this step. Firstly, we will find that our greater than n, n closest to our n prime number. Okay, means that which is near to our n value. And when we will find that 11 is that a number which is the closest to our n, and n it is a prime number, and we will simply find that a, a left side which is a prime number. So in this left side, we will check that a 7 is only a closest prime number, but uh, but their difference is that 3, because 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 11 is our better answer that compared to the 7. I hope you all understood that problem approach. So let us discuss about a coding statement. So this is a coding statement of a C++. So we will nothing implementation like it. Just like firstly we will check that if n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, so we will simply return 1. Okay, because of that most of the student think about that 2 is our only prime number, and 1 is not. But in this example 1 considered as a prime number. Okay, so 1 is equal to the prime number. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. So we will simply take a two variable t and k. Okay, and we will simply run a for loop from 1 to uh, from the of from the backside, just like it into the left side. Okay, and 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 each and every time check that if it is our prime number, just like that if 9 is our prime number, firstly we will check that if 10 is our prime number not, so we will simply move that 9. So 9 is our prime number not, so so we will check that 8 is our prime number, so not. And and then we will check that a 7 is our prime number, yes. So what we will do, we will simply store the value, we will simply store the prime number into the t, into the variable t. Okay, and we will simply break it, we will simply break. Okay, and second time we will run a for loop into the right side, into the right side. We will check that 11 is our prime number, yes. 11 is our prime number. So what we will do, we will simply store the prime number into the k, and we will simply break. Okay, at the end we will simply absolute. Why we will absolute? Because of that because of that, in this example 21, they have a two value, just like a 19 and 23. So both are the prime number, and then closest to our 21. Okay, so we will simply solve it just like a 21 minus 19. So they have a value 2, and 23 minus. So in either case, just like it, 19 minus 23, so we can minus 2. So we will generally neglecting our negative value. Okay, just like we will simply measure that a distance. Okay, so we will simply return our a value just like minimum of which distance, either into the left side or either into the right side. Okay, so which one our closest prime number, so we will simply return. And here is the checking that a prime number. So this is a value for the square root of x, for escaping our that runtime exception. Okay, okay, so the generally we will just like escape that a time limit exceed boundation. So and here is the C++ code, and this is our Java code. Same implementation, nothing will change. Okay, I hope you all understood very well, and you can simply check it that this is working fine. Okay, I hope you all understood very well. If you have any problem, so please comment, please like my channel, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.